Today, we are taking a look at the 1995 Ford F150 XLT kit from AMT. The 1/25th scale full engine detail kit, and this one was released in 1995. And it is today's What's in the Box. Hey everyone, and welcome into today's What's in the Box. So this kit got started in 1992 with the initial release as the long box F150. 95, this one got reissued. Let's check it out. Getting started now with the cab and bed, and you can see it is a two-piece setup. And now getting started with the chassis frame piece. As you can see, bottom of the cab, obviously, all that stuff is molded in there. And the inner side of the bed detail is molded on the other side, or to the frame. Now we're going to take a look at the, we'll call the engine parts tree. Start up here in the left, top left. You have the firewall detail, the radiator, battery, and whatever that, the hose. Scoot it over here. You have some engine pieces, pulley system belt, another hose, phone, I believe it was. Another piece there. You have water pump. Headers, oil pan, reservoir for the brake fluid. From down here you have your engine halves. Valve covers, one of two options for valve covers. Other engine various pieces, heads. Over here you have your secondary tank, or the main tank, maybe the rear was the first, I'm not sure, whatever it was. Spare tire holder, other engine pieces. And moving on to the next parts tree, which will be parts tree A. I'm not even sure if their names. So anyways, this one has the spare tire, which unfortunately is molded in plastic. Rear half of the exhaust, wheel backs, and the pins are the receptacles for the pins on the axles. And up next will be the parts tree that has suspension pieces and aftermarket bits, if you will, pieces. Accessories, customization parts. There we go. So we'll start up here at the top. Another exhaust pipe, rear axle, shock, springs, tie rod. The axle's kind of deformed a little bit there, but they always were, even when these kits were. Then you have the second half of the rear axle with the springs, the front part of the suspension. There, the I-beams. You can see it's bowed into, or just completely freaking warped. That'll be fun. Alright, over here we have some customization pieces. You have a netting for the replace tailgate. Was flash there. Interior cargo boxes for the bed. These are lights that go on the roll bar, are that piece there. You know, that cab extension piece, another spoiler piece, and then the sun visor there. Moving right along now to the interior parts tree, basically, as well as the hood and the tailgate. Minimal on the detail side there on the interior. Pedals to the floor, molded to the floor. So you have the dashboard, steering wheel, tailgate. Hood. No underside, well, very minimal underside detail. And on its own separate little tree, a bed tonneau cover. On now to the clear parts. So first we have the window, one-piece window unit, front and rear window, no side windows, no sliding rear window option. You have on this piece you have the front headlight lenses, bug deflector, and these will be the lights that go in for that light piece, the off-road lights, if you will. And you have the rear tail lights molded in transparent red for you. Turning our attention now to the chrome parts tray, which is pretty full. So we'll start here with the wheels, so in the engine intake. So you have a set of custom wheels here, as well as the stock wheels here. Come up here and you have the front bumper, the grille, headlight area, and the rear bumper. And then over here you have the side view mirrors, which are not the same as the box art pieces. They did in chrome, the manifold, or the intake of the manifold. You know, there's a set of marker lights here, for roof marker lights, and antenna, engine pieces. Actually, these are the lights for the those off-road pieces. I'm sorry, they were molded in chrome. They snap into those pieces, not the clear lenses. Excuse me. These are the second option valve covers, and this goes on the tailgate. It's just that. Now we're going to take a look at the very minimalistic decal sheet. You have a set of choice of license plates, Colorado, Nebraska, and some engine compartment decals. Now we're going to take a look at the roundy rounds, which are going to be Goodyear Wrangler ATs. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the Ford F-150 XLT for the 1995 model year kit from AMT. And also included is a set of these. I'm trying to remove the packaging, but that didn't work. So we got Dodge Viper, we got a Terra Labonte cornflakes, Chevy Bel Air 409 kit, and Snake Bite the monster truck. Terra Labontes, because I didn't like AMT's NASCAR kits. I preferred Revels, but I did monogram, but I did build Snake Bite. I think I had the Bel Air. So anyways, moving on, we'll try and I'm not a fan of AMT's instructions. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and say if you want to get yourself some color match Ford F-150 paint from Jameson Scalefinishes, you probably should be able to get that done for you. I have no idea what color I'm going to paint it, what I will even do with this one. Now that they're getting rare, you have to make them count. There's one I did get this for a decent price, I'm guessing. I got it for $30 total with the shipping, so that's pretty, I'm okay with that. It's kind of cool too. I like how I wish everybody would do this. All manufacturers would give you the exterior and interior colors. That'd be nice. I want that on every single model kit, every single company. And polycaps. So, on that note, thanks for watching.